Look at how adorable is this packaging. She wrapped it. She's so cute. And then it has a little card and it says thank you, and I'll read it. And then it has all the stuff in here. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, I am the Ordinary Gal. Thank you so much for joining me and clicking on this video. I just wanted to make a really quick little video. Shout out to Janet. Thank you so much, Janet. This packaging is so adorable. I really appreciate the time you took out and the money that you spent to send me this package. You really didn't have to, but I really appreciate it. And you know what? I just love your channel so much. So I've never won anything like this before. This is amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I just can't say how much I appreciate it. So I just thought I would do like a quick unboxing of the items that I got sent. I'm so excited. So I got a little thank you card. That is sweet. Thank you so much. And there's a little note in here, and I'll read it privately myself. And it's so well packaged. I mean, I just really appreciate it. So nice. Okay, I think I got rid of all the little the little peanuts there. Look at how well this is packed. This is wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm going to say thank you like a million times in this video. So I have here a Real Techniques brush. I have never used this brush, and I've always, this beauty blender, and I've always been curious about it. So awesome. I'm definitely going to do a video of me using all these products right here for sure. Because I think in here is a lot of stuff that I haven't used before. So and then look at that color. That is gorgeous. So excuse the mess in the back. But I just wanted to show you guys what they look like, and I'm going to do a little swatch. Well, those colors are just right up my alley, I'll tell you what. So pretty. Love it. Thank you. Love it. The next thing I am pulling out is a bronzer palette. I have their eyeshadow or their blush palette. So great. It's one of my favorites. The next thing is a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I mean, look at those colors. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. The next thing, oh my gosh, it's like wrapped up so nicely. Thank you so much. So it's a Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. This is a really pretty palette. Look at those colors. I mean, wow. Actually been really wanting to try this, and I just haven't bought it for some reason. But yeah, it's called Mellow Wine. That is a color. Wow. That is really pretty. The infamous Precious Petal from Wet n Wild. Love this highlighter. This will be my second one. So yeah, this will be my second one. And you know what? You can't have too many of these. These are so beautiful. I love those. This is one of my favorite highlighters there to use. And an eyeliner. I've been running off of little 100-point Sephora eyeliners and, you know, like the testers and stuff like that. So definitely needed the eyeliner. Thank you so much. And that looks like a very interesting palette right there. Let's see. It says it has a matte liquid lipstick, an eyeshadow palette, and a matte liquid eyeliner. Sweet. Beyond basic. Ooh, pretty brushes. Like, holy shit. They look so soft and beautiful. I'm gonna have to take them out right now. So here they are. I just felt these. They're so freaking soft. Like, I just can't believe how soft they're not pokey at the slightest. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna get some good uses out of these right here. Face masks right here. Yes to cucumber Soothing, calming paper mask. I think I might actually use one of these tonight because I've been traveling a lot and it just hasn't been good, you know? And then I can definitely do these with my daughters. We can all wear masks today because I need some mommy and daughter's kid time. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this actually. I've heard really good stuff about this one. That looks interesting. Hyaluronic acid. Okay, that's awesome. I think I might have to do these 2 masks. For sure. And then the Max Studio Forever Glowing. Look at some of those highlighters. Holy shit. Wow. I think I can use all these highlighters in some way or another. And these blushes are beautiful. And to have it all in one palette, like this would be a great travel palette. This is awesome. Okay, I just want to say thank you so much to Janet. I'm going to link her down below. Go check her out, you guys. She does amazing artwork on her face. It is beautiful. And I just love her eyeshadow. And I just wish I can do eyeshadow like that. And someday I will, maybe. If you're watching this, Janet, hi, thank you so much. And I will see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Like I said, I'm the Ordinary Gal. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Give a girl a chance. Give me a chance. Come on.